Updating Aurora global databases across regions while minimizing downtime has been challenging. RDS blue/green deployments now address this issue for Aurora global databases. You can create a staging environment mirroring your production database across all regions. When ready, you can perform a blue/green switchover to transition all regions to the new environment with minimal downtime. This feature allows you to update databases across multiple AWS regions simultaneously. During switchover, Aurora automatically renames clusters, instances, and endpoints, ensuring your applications continue to operate without modifications. This capability simplifies the process of performing critical database operations while maintaining high availability for globally distributed applications. AWS IoT services now offer enhanced security and flexibility for IoT deployments. You can use VPC endpoints to keep IoT traffic within your private network, avoiding the public internet. Private Link enables VPC endpoints for all IoT operations. You can run IoT workloads entirely within VPCs, improving security. IPv6 support allows connecting devices with either IPv6 or IPv4, meeting local requirements while maintaining compatibility. You can configure these features through multiple AWS interfaces, providing deployment options across supported regions. Data scientists often struggle to efficiently work with unstructured data stored in S3 buckets while maintaining proper access controls. The new SageMaker catalog feature addresses this by enabling read and write access to S3 general-purpose buckets. You can now search for unstructured data in S3, process it alongside structured datasets, and share the results with other teams. Data publishers can grant read-only or read-write access, allowing consumers to process data in SageMaker and store results back to S3. This supports analytics and AI workflows while maintaining security controls. The feature is available in all regions supporting SageMaker Unified Studio and can be accessed through the Studio interface, Data Zone API, SDK, or AWS CLI. Building event-driven applications can be complex, requiring developers to navigate multiple service documentations and write error-prone filter patterns. The new EventBridge Visual Rule Builder simplifies this process. You can now browse events from over 200 AWS services and custom applications in a comprehensive catalog. Sample payloads and schemas are readily available, eliminating the need to reference individual service docs. The drag-and-drop interface allows you to create rules visually, while the Schema-Aware Builder guides you through creating filter patterns, reducing syntax errors. This feature streamlines the development of event-driven applications, saving time and reducing potential issues. AWS Lambda's new provision mode for SQS event source mappings addresses the challenge of handling unpredictable traffic bursts in event-driven applications. This feature allows you to optimize SQS ESM throughput by provisioning event polling resources ready for sudden traffic spikes. You can scale 3x faster with up to 1,000 concurrent executions per minute and support 16x higher concurrency up to 20,000 executions. By configuring minimum and maximum event pollers, you can fine-tune the ESM's performance. This enables you to process events with lower latency, handle traffic spikes more effectively, and maintain precise control over event processing resources. The feature is available in all AWS commercial regions and can be activated through various AWS interfaces. Amazon ECS has addressed the issue of service availability drops during rolling deployments. Previously, when tasks became unhealthy or were terminated, ECS would replace them with the new version, potentially reducing availability if the new version failed. Now, ECS replaces unhealthy tasks with the same version, maintains availability when new versions fail, scales both old and new versions during auto-scaling events, and respects existing percentage settings. These enhancements ensure your services remain available and can handle increased load, even when new versions encounter issues during deployment. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL now supports version 18, addressing the need for improved database performance and management. You can leverage skip-scan support for multi-column B-tree indexes to optimize queries. The introduction of UUI Dev 7 enhances distributed system capabilities. New observability features provide deeper insights into database operations. You can upgrade your databases using various methods, including blue/green deployments. These improvements allow you to efficiently manage and scale your PostgreSQL deployments in the cloud while benefiting from the latest community updates. AWS Lambda previously offered experimental Rust support, limiting its use for production workloads. Now, Lambda provides full support for Rust, allowing you to build and run performance-sensitive serverless applications. You can build serverless applications using Rust, taking advantage of its high performance and safety features. You can now run business-critical Rust applications on Lambda, benefiting from built-in integrations and scaling. Lambda support for Rust is available across all AWS regions, enabling broad deployment options. This update expands Lambda's language support, giving you more choices for developing efficient and secure serverless applications.